Plan Pantry cabinetry pest-proofing new home construction during design so stored product pest risk is minimized from the start. Start by specifying solid front cabinet doors with minimal seams and tight joins to reduce insect entry points. And choose materials that resist gnawing and moisture, such as marine-grade plywood or solid hardwood with sealed edges. Include magnetic or ball catch closures and full-length door magnetic strips to ensure doors remain fully shut under everyday use. And add door sweeps at the bottom to block crawling pests while still allowing smooth operation. Design pull-out shelving size to accept airtight containers so homeowners can transfer dry goods into containers that close with silicone gaskets. Plan for at least one standard drawer height and one deep pull-out for bulk items. Avoid open bottom cabinets by bringing toe kicks up or installing sealed bases that prevent pests from moving under cabinetry, and provide removable base panels so the space can be fully cleaned and inspected. Allow clear access for vacuuming and visual inspection by designing shelf spacing that clears 2 inches above stored containers and leaving a 3-inch gap between rear wall and plumbing chases when possible. Integrate small recessed niches where monitoring traps can be placed out of sight but reachable for routine checks every month, and route lighting that illuminates internal cabinet corners to make spotting early infestations easier. 3 common mistakes are leaving gaps at cabinet seams, relying solely on pesticides, and designing inaccessible storage. Gaps at seams and unfinished edges invite pests, so seal all joints with a paintable silicone sealant and fit solid backs or gable panels that butt tightly to walls. Relying only on chemicals misses prevention, so prioritize physical barriers, airtight storage, and monitoring traps, and use targeted treatments only when monitoring indicates activity. Designing deep, fixed shelves that cannot be pulled out prevents thorough cleaning, so prefer pull-out units and removable toe kick panels so homeowners can vacuum and wipe all surfaces. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like Pantry pest-proofing during new home construction with tools to list needs and browse local expertise. We host a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations to help plan and execute effective pest-resistant cabinetry.